Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share a collaboration video that I'm doing with my sweet friend KARISSA. KARISSA reached out to me and she has a wonderful series called The Real Housewives of YouTube. And today we're sharing our tips on how to decorate on a budget. I hope you enjoy. Guys, if you're not already subscribed to my beautiful friend, I recommend you do so now. She has a wide range of videos for you to choose from. She does everything from vlogs to hauls. She also does beautiful house tours of her amazing rustic glam home. But most of all, she is an incredible wife and mummy. So I'll leave a link to her channel down below. So my first decorating tip, guys, on a budget would start with this roll of marble contact paper that I picked up from Kmart, and it was just $3. Guys, this has been a godsend to any DIY decorator. Here, for example, was my thrift store find coffee table. I paid just $35, and one roll of marble contact paper from Kmart for $3 completely changed this look. Whether it be a thrift store find or you've shopped your home and you want to transform a look, a $3 roll of marble contact paper can take a piece of furniture to a whole new level. My next helpful tip when decorating on a budget would be think outside the box, guys. For example, this old chair. Originally from a thrift store, I was going to paint it, then I didn't like it no more and I wanted to get rid of it, but then I discovered the best idea. Chair covers. Chair covers are so inexpensive, guys. They're currently on eBay and you can change the look and it doesn't have to cost you a fortune. We don't have to get rid of our chairs, we just need to change them up with inexpensive ideas like chair covers. My next helpful tip starts with saving money. For example, this cute little rustic bunny bucket I picked up from Kmart for just $4. But with the Easter season over, I didn't want to pack it away. But guess what? Just by turning it around, I have discovered all year round decor. Just a simple turn of the bucket. My next helpful tip, guys, is my favourite of all. It all started when I spotted this Z Gallery fur chair for $599. I put my thinking cap on, took some thrift store finds, took a fake fur throw and covered my two existing chairs to get the look of Z Gallery. And guess what, guys? These two chairs cost me less than $100. Here I've created the very same look just by using a throw. Guys, fake fur can be very expensive by the metre, but I used two fake fur throws for just $25 each from my local Target store. Next tip, shop for bargains. Like for example this fantastic furniture bookcase, just $39 guys. I purchased two of them. Then I absolutely love Dalmatian print at the moment. I found this Dalmatian print stencil on eBay and I painted the back of the fantastic furniture bookcases with the black stencil and voila, I had the instant look I was aiming for. When trying trying to save money, guys, and you're out shopping in store, always try to look for things that are on clearance or have been marked down. For example, this beautiful green tray that I picked up from TK Maxx the other day. Originally $39.95, I was so excited when I seen the red sticker that it had been marked down, and I paid just $28. Also from TK Maxx, I found this adorable little turquoise vase. I was eyeing this off for a few weeks at TK Maxx, but it was marked down today, guys, for just $3. I knew it had to come home with me. Also on clearance was this adorable polka dot Nicole Miller frame, marked down to just $9. So here I've took my clearance items, added a few decorative pieces, and I've created this whole decorative look on a budget. My next helpful tip, guys, is another think outside the box moment. I took this $9 Dalmatian print quilt cover. I used this as the fabric to do a lot of DIY projects in covering it with this item. For example, I took this stool in my walk-in robe and covered it simply by using a staple gun. And then I took this amazing single bed headboard that I picked up from a thrift store, and again with a $9 quilt cover, I got the look I was aiming for. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget also, guys, to pop on over to my beautiful friend Karissa's channel now. She's also created a wonderful video for you on how to decorate on a budget. So until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.